Come light it up, I'm ready to go. Come light it up, come light it up, I'm ready to go. Come light it up,
So lie number one, you probably expected this one, you need to centralize your data. The idea that you have to bring all of your data together into one central database is a lie that we've been telling really since the beginning of the database itself. Why is it a lie? Well, first and foremost, it's slower than it looks. We like to think about query response times, but there's a lot of time involved in getting the data ready and getting it into one single place before you can even query it. Secondly, it limits your view to what is in that enterprise data warehouse at that particular moment in time, which is never the complete truth about your business. Third, it creates tremendous proprietary lock-in as you've now stored all of your data in these proprietary formats that can't be accessed by anything else. And if that license gets turned off, well, access to your own data is now turned off as well. And of course, it becomes very expensive, hence the yachts that we talked about earlier. On top of that, it's just fundamentally impossible. I think one of the things that struck me when I joined Teradata a number of years ago, Teradata acquired my first startup back in 2014, and I spent a few years there, was that despite being the industry leader in data warehousing and having built a tremendous database system, not one of their customers had really gotten all of the enterprise data into a single database. That's just never actually been possible. And so, we've been pursuing this sort of fool's errand for decades. It's not too dissimilar to herding cats if you've ever tried to do that. The truth is you need to optimize for decentralized data. You need to optimize for where your data lives. And Comcast has always been one of my favorite examples. They were actually one of our first big enterprise customers, and they have an incredibly talented team, Saj and Brian and the others, and they actually started using Trino to federate queries over 8 years ago, before Starburst was even founded, in fact. And they've been able to solve for much faster access to distributed data, which today lives across Hadoop, Teradata, AWS, Oracle, a number of different systems. And we work with Accenture to help ensure that that data can support their goals to drive personalized entertainment, many of which I'm sure we're consumers of and appreciate that personalization. So it's a great story of working with decentralized data. And Comcast actually will be featured on a panel a little bit later today on their journey in particular.